dogs. Okay. I have 3 dogs. We're going to start off with my oldest one. His name is Cody, and he's 17, and he's white, and he wears a diaper. Here's Cody. He's a good boy. He's 17. He's an oldie. Here's Luna. She's 1 year old. Frankie, learn. Frankie. This is Luna. She's 2 years old. She is a Yorkie. And she's so adorable. Okay, next. Frankie, come here. This is Frank. I'm about to show you. This is Frankie. He is a Maltese and a Shih Tzu. He is very, very cute. And he is 2 months old. He's a gremlin. We call him as a nickname Frank the Tank. Frank the Tank, Frank the Tank, Frank the Tank. 2 months old, right? Alright, anyways, guys, I'm going to cut back. I'm going to go play soccer at my turf. So, yeah, not call you. See you later.